the Hart Law Firm, we give back to the community by representing people that couldn't otherwise afford an attorney on various types of cases. If someone comes into our office or calls our office, usually it's referral by a friend that knows I will help people out. We'll evaluate their case and see if they need help, if they need a lawyer's help. And if they do, we help them in this. We always have at least 4 or 5 cases going at any given time where we're trying to help someone who couldn't ordinarily or couldn't otherwise afford an attorney. And we work those cases up just like they were paying clients. And we do that because we believe everybody's entitled to an attorney, even those that can't afford one. Another way that we give back to the community at the Hart Law Firm is out of every fee that we receive, we give 5% of that fee, 1% apiece, to 5 different charities. So 1% to different charities. We've worked with Free the Slaves and continue to work with Free the Slaves, which is a national organization that helps free slaves all over the world, including those that are being humanly trafficked here in the United States. We also work with Fort Worth Christian Schools. I'm a firm believer in Christian education. I'm a firm believer in public education too, but we provide support for Fort Worth Christian schools in our area. Also work with the Duncombe Center for Conflict Resolution at Abilene Christian University because I'm a firm believer in its mission and its cause. That is, helping people resolve conflict in ways that doesn't destroy relationships. It also helps train mediators all over the country and all over the world, in fact, so that people can mediate their disputes. We also support an organization called Bread for a Hungry World, which Bread for a Hungry World is a great charity run by great people. What Bread for a Hungry World does is it provides both food and the ability to of training and assets for people to grow their own food. They provide chickens and teach people to use it to sell their eggs and not eat the chickens. They grow a flock of chickens. They use it to purchase goats for people in underdeveloped countries and teach them, don't eat the goat. Use the goat's milk and build your herd so that they can feed themselves and their families and their communities for many years to come. In addition, they also support immediate relief to those people who can't afford to eat. Bread for a Hungry World went to the tsunami victims several years ago in Southeast Asia and provided a great number of support there and helped rebuild their villages. Just a great charity. Also, the Christian Relief Fund, which supports hungry children all over the world, especially in Africa. We support that charity as well, as well as several other charities in the area. I believe that it's very important to provide money for charities out of our first fruits, and to trust that God will provide it for us as well.